Hey YouTube, Chris, what's up, man? If no one watches this, I know my brother down in Maryland and the rest of his fine family at least watch my stuff. And I know they're secure enough to not be offended if I say anything kind of crazy or, you know, not so politically correct. I mean, well, anyway, this is the tunnel ram. The one that flew so bad the other night, past couple nights, when I put the big blades on it. And I kept saying the motor's bad, the frame's cracked and all that. I'm still on the same motors, the same ESCs. I just took off those blades and I put on these blades that I cut down from that rcleading 136. So basically, once again, it goes back to what I proclaim a lot. Longer, fatter. Here, let me turn on the light. See that? Longer, fatter. All right. I thought maybe the gyros were gone. Even after calibrating it, it was going so crazy. But that's all in the blade, man. It's a trip, the dynamics of the blade. Oh, now we got a hesitation. What's that about? We didn't have that earlier. See, whenever we're on camera, somebody wants to act up. Alright. Anyway. Ah! Okay. Nice, huh? I said a motor was going bad, and I took for granted that it was not going bad when it hovered okay on the grass. Chill. I'm not gonna fuck with you. What was that about? I'll get back with you. I'm pausing this. I unplugged the battery and plugged it back in. Sat it on the level surface. And as far as I know, recalibrated the gyros. I don't know what that little glitch was. Because once I recalibrated the gyros, it's a relatively safe low altitude hover. See? So I don't know what that shit was. Something's hitting, but that's just electrical tape hitting that thing. Alright. So it's not the most stable, but you see, much more stable than those other blades. Same motors, I didn't do anything. I didn't balance anything. I didn't grease the motors. I did experience a glitch just now, but these frames were cut with scissors too, and now the battery's gone. Once again, I never balanced any props. I just cut them by eyesight, so that's probably a big factor until I start doing real video. Pretty ass frame though, ain't it? I'm just gonna hover above the ground till it dies. See? Alright. The glitch. Whatever the fuck that is. And this ain't even the one with the homemade antenna, so I don't know why the frequency flips out. It's like it hits a vortex or something, but the battery's low too, so I'll give it a pass. Alright. That's why the low altitude, because I knew it was going to... Alright. Hey, what's up, guys? Very late, yeah. I think I taped the test. I changed the blades. Things worked out better, but still not right. Recalibrated it. Then changed the motor. Came out. That motor worked. The noise was gone. And leads came off the ESC on the other side. So this is the last test. I went in and started the ESC, but if it works, I can go ahead and put my canopy back on and camera, but not tonight, because it's going to be daylight in a minute. I'm on my grass. So if you guys don't see nothing, that's why. But you probably see that. Okay, we got spin, we got no noise. Ha! Smooth, like it's supposed to be, and quiet. The only buzzing you hear is because the blades are barely skimming the top of some electrical tape that I have there as a barrier for the wires that are exposed. So that was a problem. We had weak ESC on one side, messed up imbalanced blades that I cut myself. It's pretty smooth, man. Once again, it's a powerful beast. I'm cruising, but this thing's got mad power. I'm gonna check the motors right now, see if it's they're at all warm. You see the stability compared to the last few days, though? Check these motors. Not even warm. You guys see that? Okay, so this is the XK tunnel ram, aka Samurai rat rod 250, 350 guts, the big block, as we say. What's up, Chris? Do your dizzle. If you guys see that. Oh, that's a Hodido moment. Oh, man, I hope you guys see that. Bring him down. We'll do some flying when we get off the block. Come on down. Those blades are smooth, man. So weird when you consider I don't balance them and I cut them by eye. Come on, baby. I'll tell you what, how about we turn you around and forward pitch you home? Huh? Yeah. Oh, baby. Whoa, you fast with them U-turns. You really need to brush your flying skills. As long as it's been, you still can't fly with the damn. You just know how to keep your shit up. My vision is a little bit impaired with this Mobius camera mount on my head. Good flight time. We might have red light. Let's check it out. See, that's why I'm going to mount the light on the bottom, the indicator light, instead of the back. Because I got to get it low just to see the indication. Come on, baby. You do not fall for nothing. Whoa. Yeah, red light, red light, red light. Come on down. There's a very slow descent, which means it's light, which is good. You'll be ready for a canopy and a camera. We got to win. One of my XKs is alive again. Hi, baby, with your flashing red light, about to die. $1,800 kV motors, 3-cell battery. RC leading propellers. RC leading? Yeah, the RC 136 propellers. Cut down just a tad. Cheap LED frame, but it's been with me for a minute, and that board's been with me for a hot minute. XKX 350 is the shit, y'all. Bye. I said bye.